Hey Don, it's Nate with Parkway Auto Group. I just wanted to reach out and show you how to use the LCD display and the Porsche Macan. So Don, this is one of my favorite features of the Macan's infotainment system. Basically, you use this knob here to control this screen that's on the gauge cluster, and it gives a lot of information as to the car, and it has a ton of customability. And basically you can do a bunch of stuff. You can set date, time, light visibility, air conditioning controls, all that good stuff through this. But my personal favorite part about it is the GPS feature. So it's super nice when you set your maps. It shows your route right there on the gauge cluster, so you never have to look away at the actual GPS unit. Super handy feature. Shows a lot of performance options. You can set a timer for track time, things like that, torque split, all that good stuff.